Hi! Alis na kami. It's another day. And we're heading to Tromsø via Narvik. Good morning! Another day. Ayan, ang ganda ng view. Ayan, blue water, clear water. Here it's only one way, so give way tayo who will come first. Here it's very important to give way and feel the other's driver car. Ayan, kasi one way lang siya. And let's go. Yes, trapuhin natin. Svolver! Kung saan kami nag-charter fishing last time. Lofoten for second time around. Heading to Tromsø. Oh, nice picture. Hey. Dito naman. View. Yeah. Nice.
Okay, bye-bye.
White sand. Balik na pagka dere.
Balik na po.
Dere ka nagsayaw-sayaw ato. Kimot-kimbot.
Okay.
This is Lofoten beach camp.
Second time.
Second time. It's white sand over here. It's better.
Essentials.
Surfing.
Surfing rentals essentials. Surfing rentals in it.
Come. That's very beautiful. Okay, let's go. We are inside the tunnel. I think this tunnel is new. And moist pa siya, oh. There's drops of water under the ocean. Careful tayo sa pagmamaneho.
1.3 kilometers.
It's 1.8 kilometers. Yeah. Let's see anong nasa labas. Let's see what tunnel is this. Lots of travelers. Park muna tayo. There's another stop area here. Oh, bikers. Mga riders. Yan. Long travel po na ila ha.
Dapat tingnan yung mga spot na sila parking yan.
Nakuha ko. Kunan natin yan. Nag-clips. Oh, kanay siyahang view. Oh. Para ka lang nasa pelikula. It's always nice here. Nice view. Ang sarap maligo doon, Bebo. Full of mountains ang Lofoten. Wow. Mashallah. Ganda ng bukid. Zoom in natin. Oh, nice. Galing tayo dito last time. Yan. Yan tayo nagpa-picture. Oops. Bongga. Another stopover area. So it's very convenient. There's lots of good stopover there. Second time in this place. The back there's a nice mountain. It's a good stopover area here where you can take a rest and use a very clean comfort room. Balik-balik ka diri na lugar ah. Huh? Oh, Maninong! Diyan. Kailang beses kang dumaan dyan no. Sa bridge na yan. In Lofoten. Tingnan natin ang name. That's the name of the bridge. Bro. Another tunnel. Another view. Wow. This one. Nice. Mga bahay pero ang view matatayog na bundok. And today, rata ng driver. We're heading to Narvik. Actually, we're heading to Tromsø. Pero baka mag-stop over tayo sa Narvik to take a rest. Oy, naalala niya kung saan tayo nagbigay ng isda doon. Oh, kaya hindi kinakinaya. Nag-hotel na kami noon last year. How many hours you've been driving from Lofoten?
Shit, I'm at 3 hours.
3 hours na po kaming nagde-drive. Para lang siyang 1 hour ah. I didn't notice the time. And we are inside the tunnel. And let's see, ano na namang view ang masosurpresa kami. Ah. Here it's cloudy, pero dun sa tuktok, sunny day. I hope that it's sunny in Tromsø. I'm gonna show your view at that side. Ayan. Driving and enjoying the view. Ano?
For the view!
For the view. Hello! Di ka makita. At siya lang po yung magmamaneho for the whole trip. Ako dito lang po ako at kakain ng mani. Oh, for 5 days oh? 6 days?
Dapat maliwag kami.
Bakit ako tumataba? Taba-taba. Relax, good. Go. Another view. Mauubos yung memory card natin dito. Nakakalula. Nakakalulang creation. Yan. This side and that side. That side. Yan lang po yung view dito. Ako na naman yung bida. Saglit. We did fishing here last time, oh. Ayan, dami naming nakuhang mackerel. It's very nice. Very clear. Bundok. Let's zoom it. And napakalapit natin sa bundok. There's still snow. Campers. Another view. Another tunnel. Daming tunnel dito. Amazing tunnels. Yan. Ano na namang klaseng tunnel here. right? And of course, dito na side. Yo. Ako naman ang view ko dyan Ito na tayong sinasabi kong sa middle ng mountains. Hinahanap ako Another tunnel. Daming tunnel.
Right place